Gather round. Today is the start of the world's most anticipated sports event, the one and only Back to School 2021 School Olympic Games. No, not those games. 15 school supplies will battle it out to see what is the most essential back-to-school supply you didn't know you needed. Who will win? Stick around until the end to find out. So the first essential is a metal or insulated water bottle. So I always like to bring a water bottle to school, but my absolute favorite type of water bottle is a metal or insulated one, since glass ones can break very easily, and usually if it's a good one, by the end of the day you'll still have ice floating around inside of your water bottle. And if it's the winter and you want something warm, then your hot coffee, tea, hot cocoa will still be hot by the end of the day in the insulated water bottle. So next up is a pen with multiple colors, so a multi-pen or 3-in-1, 6-in-1, however many in one pen. And I absolutely love these pens because of the fact that you can have multiple different colors or even a pencil in one pen, and you don't have to constantly reach into your pencil case during class and get a different color out if you want to change the colors on your notes, especially if your teacher talks very quickly. And yeah, it's just a very convenient type of pen. So next up are study with me's or music playlists or ambient sound playlists, and I just love to study with either some ambient noise like fireplace sounds or with study with me's or music playlists in the background. And so these are just some of my favorite channels for music, in particular for some calming music to get into the mood of studying. I also have a real-time study with me playlist if you guys want to try them out and use them while you're studying. But yeah, so in general, I just find it really essential to have some kind of study playlists or background noise, get myself into the mood for studying and mentally prepare, and also calm down and not be as stressed out. So next up are comfortable shoes. And so this might sound a bit strange, but in my experience, especially if you have a campus where you have to walk a lot, comfortable shoes are honestly one of the most important investments you can make. So there are some shoes that are definitely not comfortable and made for walking a lot. And then there are some shoes that might not be as pretty or as well known, but that are really comfortable and just make your feet very happy. So I personally prefer wearing sneakers, especially bigger, looser ones that do not hurt my feet after a long day and that are cushioned. Comfortable shoes, especially if you walk a lot on campus, are a must. So next up is a thin kind of sweater, sweatshirt, or just some mini jacket, just something to cover yourself up, because there's this problem, especially towards the summer, end of the school year, April, May, and the beginning of the school year, September, October, when it is really hot outside, like really, really hot outside. It's boiling, you're wearing shorts and a t-shirt, and then you come inside into the school building and it's freezing. Some of the classrooms and lecture halls that I've been in, I don't know how they keep them so cold, but it feels like the Arctic in comparison to being outside. In general, a little mini sweater, sweatshirt that you can fit into your backpack that you can then throw onto yourself once you get indoors can be really helpful, just to make you feel a lot better when you suddenly get into an air-conditioned room that for some reason is kept at sub-zero temperatures. So next up is a mini notebook for your backpack that you can put in the front pocket, side pocket, or just easily access. A mini notebook has always been a crucial essential for me, since I would just quickly grab it to write down anything important that happened during the day, or reminders, since usually, at least in my middle, high school, and even in some of my college classes, phones are forbidden. Also, mini notebooks are really great for just scribbling. Your pen, if it's running out of ink and you're trying to revive it, is also something really useful, because it's happened quite a lot to me, and my mini notebook has been there to save me. Last but not least is a portable charger, because I can be klutz and sometimes forget to charge my phone overnight, and it's always useful to have a portable charger on the go so you can charge your phone and just be able to contact people, and the uses of a phone are pretty obvious. Of course, there is the problem when you forget to charge the portable charger, and but that's another story. The Olympic Games have finished, and it is now time to declare a victor. So the top back-to-school essential that you did not know that you needed is... Cuz, I said turn it off! What looks like Holland?
Look. That.
Oh, you mean the stripes?
Yes.
It looks like Holland?
Yes.
Oh, okay. You know all the flags, right?
Look. France.
France and Holland?
Yes.
You see France and Holland?
Yes. You see? Estella. You see that?
Wow, you know all the flags
You
now.
see? France and Holland. They turn together.
They turned.
France and Holland.
I see.
France and Holland.
Okay.
My goodness, what is this?
That is a candle. Oh, I'll have to show
What
you.
is that?
What?
What is this to me?
What is what?
This thing.